All right. Well, I got some free time today and thought, why not put the lift kit in. Now 14. Now 15. Now it's a 16, but I'll check it. Let's write it out. 17. See if I have a 17 impact socket. Wow, first gas. This sucks. If you're wondering why I'm going forward, I'm spinning the stud forward so that the nut is going backwards. One sway link. All right, well, I had to skip ahead a little bit. All I had to do is take the 12mm headed bolt that holds the brake hose in place, wiggle this out. You kind of got to squeeze it and then move it around, and then on the sway links, that's self-explanatory. I just come up here, take the strut nuts out, and then catch it before it falls and hits the ground. And now I just have to get these studs out and get the replacement bolts in. The instructions say you got to pull the strut mounts out, but it doesn't look like that might be 100% necessary, but I got the Widowmakers out just in case. And when you pull these, use white ideally, but I use a Sharpie to try to intensify that mark that's already there on the strut, because these are slotted. Subarus come with factory camber adjustment. And then on the upper bolt, you can tell this is the upper because it is egg-shaped there. That's how you get your camber adjustment. Then make a mark where it was, so that at least you don't know that you're going in the opposite direction. So at least know where it was. This is only going up 1/2 inch, so it shouldn't change it that much, but I still need to get in the line tomorrow. Excellent news with the rear. I don't have to pull the springs. I did pull that bolt that goes to that knuckle bushing out so I could move everything down, or at least move the rearward arm down far enough to get the strut out. But it was actually pretty easy. Well, the suspension hasn't settled, but it looks actually more lifted than I expected.